This message goes to the EAS community. So I would like to say sorry for all the things I have done. I don't know why I done this, but what I done was extremely wrong. So I'm currently sorry to the EAS community, and please ignore the background noises. Also, if you guys are watching this, I am absolutely sorry. This also goes to Justin McCall. I'm also sorry for not letting Justin finish his speech. I'm sorry. Okay. I just think today was definitely the worst day ever. Why does it have to be every single day? This also goes to Larson. Big fan. I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry. I'm not doing this just to... never mind. This concludes my message.